swing set. It's our thing at AAA State of Play. The playground swing is a basic for many a playground. Playground swing for baby, adult swing set, and everyone in between. Our swings offer the freedom of flight, the wind in your hair, even a little risk-taking. Commercial swing set from AAA has a solid, sturdy construction that's built to last for every generation. Choices and options? Let's check them out. Single-post swing sets are simple and sturdy. 2 upright posts support a single top post. They're more compact. The smaller footprint takes up less room than a tripod, bipod, or even an arch swing design. Single-post swings can be configured for 2 to 8 swing days and several types of playground swing seats and age ranges. This single post includes both belt and bucket swing seats. This single-post swing with shade at a child care center offers several options for swings and swing types, including belt swing seats and an adaptive swing seat for children of various ages and abilities. Kids can stay cool and sheltered from harmful UV rays. Our single-post cantilever swings can be ordered with 1 or 2 swings in the interior frame and a swing at one or both ends. The middle swings are taller, for older children, even adults. The cantilever design is at a lower height for younger children in bucket seats or adaptive swings. It's made to swing slower and lower for safety and confidence building. Arch post swing sets are true standouts, offering a great look and solid construction. Made of galvanized, powder-coated steel, they come in different sizes, swing configurations, and colors. The swings at this middle school active play area include 8 belt seats, but there's still a waiting list. Swinging is a great workout for the legs, core, upper body, and even developing social skills. Bipod swings are playground classics. 2 posts anchor the structure at each end for support and extra space around the swings. The tripod swing frame comes in 8 and 10-foot heights. They've historically been favored over bipods for added strength and sturdiness, but with modern design and installation, it's now more of a choice of style than sturdiness. It's wheels up for the tire swing. Tire swings can go on any kind of post. The nest swing puts a different spin on playground swings, offering a unique swinging experience for one or more. The early childhood T-swing brings outdoor fun to even the smallest of daycare schoolyards. Start young, play young, and stay young. AAA State of Play has a thing for the swing.